Hi, I'm Andy Bolson, Sales Manager at Rotochopper. Today we're excited to announce the latest addition to Rotochopper's product lineup, the MT175 Trommel Screen. Over our 30-year history, Rotochopper has remained focused on innovation, development, and most importantly, continuing to provide our customers with the equipment and solutions they need to make their own businesses more efficient, productive, and profitable. The MT175 Trommel Screen has been designed to deliver maximum productivity and superior screening efficiency from a compact footprint. With durability and simplicity in mind, the MT series trommels provide the optimal screening solution for a variety of applications, including compost, organics, soil, and mulch, just to name a few. Plus, the equipment is backed by the Rotochopper service and support team you know and trust. Some of the features include hydraulic folding conveyors, tracks for easy maneuverability, a large infeed hopper, hydraulic drum angle adjustment, quick change drum with 4 powered drive rollers, a large screening area, foldable hopper extensions, and hydraulically actuated support legs. And some of the additional options include Rotolink remote monitoring system, Roto load scan, and the colorizer system. To learn more about Rotochopper's Trommel Screen equipment, contact your local Rotochopper sales representative or visit us at rotochopper.com.